Something came in the mail today. So yeah guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing another Nike head tie or Naruto headband. This time is the Nike Dri-FIT head tie 3.0, but it's a different color. It's a blue one, just to spice up things a bit, you know what I'm saying? You know, black is obviously my favorite color, you know what I'm saying? Black power, you feel me? Looking like Black Diamond. You know, sometimes you have to switch up. So guess what? Something came in the mail today. Yes sir. Well, let me open this. There you go. Comes in 2 minutes. Oh, you want me to do that gangster shit again? I'm really about it. Oh, it looks better than what I expected, literally. So this is what it looks like in the pack, you feel me? Let's put it on, baby. Smells kind of funny. It smells like a factory or something. Here it is. Do you know what I'm saying? The difference between this one and the black one, the 2.0, is that you see the Nike tick here is sewed in the thing, but this one is like a sticker more. So yeah, let's put it on. And I don't know if you guys notice here, compare my hair now from my hair to my hair from like the first Naruto headband video. It grew on the mad one. So yeah, let's put it on. Oh, I think that this is my favorite one. This is gonna be my favorite head tie. No cap. No one can tell me that this is not the shit. This. Y'all can't do that. I know you can. You can't. You don't know how to do it. I can teach you though. Nah. Literally, this is the same. Literally, it feels the same as the other one, the black 2.0. I don't really see the difference except from the color and the way the tick is. There's not much different. This is lit. This is lit. Do you know what I mean? Obviously I'm tying it just normal style, innit? But you already know how it is. Nah, this is the shit I'm gonna rock this a lot. Let me make a thumbnail. So yeah guys, if you like this video, you already know, like, comment, you know what I'm saying, do your thing, do your little magic, baby, you feel me? So yeah, it was your boy Tenem Score, and I'm out.